have you ever been in need of a contact number or email address and you just don't know where to look? Well, millions of new internet addresses are up for sale to the public today. The launch of the .tel domain name will create the world's largest virtual phone book. And joining us for more is Kashaya Madhavi, CEO of Telnic, the company that runs the registry. Thank you very much for talking to us here on the programme. Now, why come out with this domain name now? What's its purpose, who's it's for, and is it going to be cost effective?
Well, .tel brings together all your means of communication in one place under your control that is accessible from any device. So with one touch, people can be in touch. Now, the big revolution here is we are giving people the possibility to have an online presence without a website. This will make communication simpler, cheaper, faster, and the data will always be up to date.
All right, okay, let's take my parents. Just got a landline and a mobile phone, right? That's it. That's all they have. Mm-hmm. So is there anything in it for them?
Of course there is. Isn't it easier if you want to contact, I don't know what your parents' name is,
yeah.
Supposing it's Ross.tel.
Yeah.
Today,
so how do they then send me an email or get in touch with me by email?
Because
or whatever
under Ross.tel you will be able to store all your contact information, whether your phone numbers, your landlines, your Skype ID, your social networks on Facebook or LinkedIn, and people will just remember Ross.tel. They will receive the menu bag, they will scroll down and click. And all of this is without the need for a website. So it's extremely cheap and extremely quick on mobile phones.
But for people like Ross's parents or even my own parents, do you think that having another domain name out there will just sort of be confusing, perhaps, as there's just so many now?
Well, .tel has a radically different use from other domain names. Don't forget, IBM.com, you get a website. .uk, .biz, .name, all of these are about websites and web content. We're speaking here about communications. You want to be able to reach somebody quickly, cheaply, fast, especially on mobile devices. Don't forget, one of the problems with the mobile internet has been that mobile websites, accessing websites on mobile phones is very costly and extremely slow. With the .tel, it is extremely quick and extremely cheap.
So look, how do you now get a .tel? How do you put your name in the system? What's it going to cost?
Well, today we are launching the Land Rush period, which is going to be open to everybody, and we are selling through what are called ICANN accredited registrars, and there are about 130 registrars worldwide. So if you come to our website, telnic.org, you will find the list of all the registrars.
This is the problem, right? It's for people who don't have websites. So how do you, can you call up somewhere and register? Is there a number?
Yes, you could call up your registrar, but we are a wholesaler, not a retailer, so you have to go to your retailer.
So who's your retailer that you go through?
Well, you could go to retailers. There are many here in the UK, such as Domain Monster or BB Online, and you either go online or you phone them and you say, I would like to buy Ross.tel or Plumber.tel or Doctors.tel, and you'll be awarded your domain name.
Great. Well, very interesting. Thank you very much for talking to us here on the programme. That was Kashaya Madhavi, CEO of Telnic.
Garnet.tel.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. I'm going to have it. Yeah. How much does it cost, by the way?
Well, during this Land Rush period, $100 per year for 3 years, and thereafter $20 per year on renewal.
Okie dokes. Well, interesting.
We'll get a company to subsidise it.
Yeah, why not?